In corporate finance, companies often need quick access to cash. Today we are demystifying the uncommitted credit facility. An uncommitted facility is a lending arrangement where a bank provides cash, but is not legally obligated to lend when requested. One major perk is cost. Since the bank isn't making a binding promise, there is usually no hefty commitment fee involved. These facilities are designed for short-term needs. However, remember the bank can simply say no if their own liquidity is tight. As you can see, the cost burden for a committed facility is significantly higher because the bank must reserve that capital for you. The bottom line is simple. Use these for daily operational flexibility, but never rely on one as your only source of emergency funding. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, save this video for later and subscribe for more finance basics.